It doesn't feel like Christmas this year.
Why is he so sad?
Emma's Christmas wish was never made this year.
That spot holds the last wish ornament. It can bring the magic back. I will find it! Wishes are silly. Magic isn't real.
I believe Christmas can be magical. You saved Christmas.
Christmas magic lives in every tiny wish we dare to believe.